Hello, hi guys. My name is Karthik. Welcome to my channel. So this is day 2 from Jagdalpur. We have checked out the room. Right now the time is 6:30. So the plan is to go to Tirathgarh Waterfalls, which is in Chhattisgarh. Tirathgarh Waterfalls is 26 kilometers. Once we are done with the Tirathgarh Waterfalls, we are thinking to head on to Kothapalli Waterfalls, which is in Araku. So let's see how the plan goes. Stay tuned. As of now, we are done with the breakfast at Keshlur Dhaba. We got a train track over there, and this road is NH 30. So we are on the way to Tirathgarh Waterfalls. Caves, Kailash Caves are there. Kanger Valley. Welcome, Chip. Just now we have reached the Tirathgarh Waterfalls and the time is 8:30. You can see the parking area, a big parking area, and they are charging around 100 rupees. If at all it's a four-wheeler. That's the way you need to walk. So let's go. As of now, we are on the top of the waterfalls. I guess the bottom view will be awesome. So that's the way. Let's go there and check out the waterfalls. You see that? Tirathgarh Waterfalls, the mighty Tirathgarh Waterfalls. So this is the Tirathgarh Waterfalls. So we do have some temples also. So that's the Tirathgarh Waterfalls right behind me. You can see that. So from there, స్విమ్మింగ్ అయితే అసలు దిగద్దు బికాజ్ ఆల్రెడీ బోర్డ్ పెట్టారు ఇక్కడ that it is prohibited అని. So don't get into the water. Good evening guys. We have started from Tirathgarh Waterfalls at close to 11 or 11:30. The destination is to Kothapalli Waterfalls. So it is around 6 to 6.5 hours of journey. We have to do multiple stops and so we are unable to reach on time. There is a change of plan. I am in Araku right now and in Apple Resorts. So the night stay will be here. Tomorrow morning we will be starting to Kothapalli Waterfalls. I'll show you the ambience of Apple Resorts as of now. So those are the rooms. The room which I have taken is A1, that is right behind me, and it is costing me 1500. Ambience area is very good. If at all you wanted to do a camping, so you have that option also. Tent will be 1200 to 2000 depending upon the size and capacity of the tent. I'll show you that as well. So you see the tents over there. That's a big ground given for the tents. I'll show you in detail. Those are the tents. If anyone wants to do the camping, this is the area. It is entirely and completely for camping. And if you want to have some campfire, they will be giving you the campfire at a cost of 300 to 400 rupees, including the diesel.